Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag tutorial. Now you can go for the PhD from the IIIT Ranchi. Their session is open for the admission for the PhD 2025, 2026, and there is a full-time and part-time session are there. So we'll go through the how to apply and what are the fee details and what are the courses offered. What are the programs offered by the IIIT Ranchi? So apply for the IIIT Ranchi PhD admission 2025 2026 in computer science, electronics, physics, mathematics, and management. So Indian Institute of Information Technology Ranchi offers both full-time and part-time PhD programs with the admission through the institute level written exam and interview. So get details on eligibility, research areas, application process, important dates, and how to apply. Visit the official website. So I'll provide the official website link. So link is this one. We'll go through the link. So the program is offered is the PhD in the computer science and engineering, PhD in the electronics and communication engineering, PhD in physics and mathematics, PhD in humanities and social science and management. So admission session is 2025 this is the spring semester 2025-2026 and apply by the clicking official website deadline and dates updates. I will show you that. So why join the IIIT Ranchi PhD? So cutting edge research opportunity across the multidisciplinary fields and full-time and part-time options for the working professional. Institute conducted selection process, written test and interview. So connect with the IIIT Ranchi and stay update with the admission notification, voucher, rule, regulation, and the admission form published on the official website. So we'll go through the official link. So this is the site. Admission is for 2025 2026. There is a application for PhD admission. So this is the form. You have to fill up the form. You have to submit this form, and there is a department, admission category, so registration number and all the details. This part is for the official use only. You have to provide your name and father name, husband name, like that. So you this is a simple form. You can go through this. So this is a form you can download from the there. And in last list of the enclosure, what are the enclosure academic and professional qualification you are giving. So all the details you have to give there. Next, if you are going for the full time, then this is a booklet, 13 pages are there. So if you go through this, so there is a two category are there. So institute research scholar, IRS, and sponsor research scholar. So IRS is there. So the table two qualifying degrees for the PhD program. So computer science and engineering, there is a list of the degrees. If you are from the BTech, MC, and computer science, so you need to the 70% marks or 7.0 CPI and 10-point scale. So there is a second is the electronics and communication, like that. Mathematics is there, physics is there. You can go through the all the details with that. So important dates are there. So application form December 4, 2025. Last date for admission in application form Jan 5, 2026. Display and list of the shortlisted candidate and other things will be notified in the institute website. So these things are there. This is the main thing. Program fee. So general EWS, OBS, SC, ST, PC full time. Okay. So first 25,000 tuition fee, 15,000 institute fee plus 20,000 quotient money one time and 60,000 total. Okay. So into 40,000 tuition fee and institute fee. So mess fee is 21,000 and hostel fee 21,000. You can go through the other details. Medical are there, reservation of the seats. So creamy layer, non-creamy layer, you have to submit the document, and this is the payment link. You can go through this. So annexure 1, Form of the certificate to produce the OBC, so non-creamy layer. So you have to produce the certificate for the non-creamy layer, and this is the medical fitness certificate for the applicant. So weight and other things are there. Now we are coming to the part-time. So information voucher and above details are, so part-time sponsor category. There is a computer science. All the courses are there, same as before seen in the full time. So same dates, and there will be the in the semester one there is just 65,000, and semester two onwards they have to provide the pay the 45,000. That is the for tuition fee plus institute fee. Here also the same is there. Some amount differences are there. So semester one and two onwards 40,000, and has 5,000 differences there in the both. And same medical certificate and non-creamy certificate, uh, OBC certificate and medical certificates you have to give. And last is the PhD rule and regulation. So you can go through the rule and regulation. So all the details are there. Okay. So main we have to concentrate on the programs offered. So they are offering the computer science engineering and other things are there. So admission for the session 2025 and 2026 spring semester, and dates are we have seen there in this page. So just remember the important dates about this. So application form for December and last date for the 5 Jan 2026. So all trademarks, logo and names belong to their respective owners. This video only for the educational information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. And you can follow me on the YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Subscribe for the free tutorial and learning content and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.